Apple's latest iPad mini, the 4th generation model to be exact, helps to diversify the company's portfolio, which recently got expanded with the introduction of the iPad Pro. But for those looking to keep it slim, compact, and simple, the iPad mini 4 is always worth the look. However, are there enough improvements and upgrades to warrant a refresh, or an incentive to upgrade? The package contains Apple iPad mini 4, wall charger, lightning cable, Apple decals, user's start guide, camera. With a slight hardware upgrade, its performance is still top-notch amongst tablets. After several years of running a 5-megapixel rear camera, Apple has finally upgraded it to an 8-megapixel one for the iPad mini 4. However, it's still accompanied by an f/2.4 aperture lens, ESI, and digital image stabilization. The new upgrade is fine and dandy, but the front-facing iSight camera is still at a mere 1.2 megapixels, so it's not as likely to replace your smartphone anytime soon for selfies. Beyond the hardware, there's nothing out of the ordinary with the camera interface, since it's basically the same exact one used by all other iPads. While it's simple and straightforward, allowing shutterbugs to quickly snap shots without much delay, we've grown accustomed to seeing just a little bit of flexibility and leeway given to us by the manual controls of other camera interfaces, like Samsung's in particular. The only things we can't tinker with are the focus and exposure, which are enabled by tapping anywhere on the screen. As for shooting modes, it's all the same from before, so that includes HDR, panoramic, and a few others.